Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video tutorial for grade 4 mathematics, and we are going to take the second lesson on the topic length. In our last lesson we learned about the conversion of the units of length from one unit to another unit, and also we learned about uh, different length measuring units. So in this video we are going to complete the learner book page 73. So let's start. First question on this page is Parveen correct? She is saying the length of a person's foot is same as their measurement from elbow to wrist. So you can decide it. Yesterday I told you that you need to measure the length of the different parts, like the length of wrist to elbow, the length of foot, the length of hand, circumference of head, circumference of neck, and all these things. So you can verify it practically about that it is true or false. What you need to do is you will measure the length of the foot and the length of the wrist to elbow. So you can decide whether it is true or not. The third question here is Daniela, Natalia, and Sebastian have been traveling around South America. On their travels, they have observed the heights of some of the trees. Here in this table, you can see the names of different trees like acacia, Brazilian walnut, cashew, and all these trees' names are there. And their heights, what they calculated, what they measured, are written here in centimeter. All these heights are in centimeter. So we have to order the trees from the shortest to the tallest. Like right now, if you look at this one is the shortest one is having a height of 620 centimeter. So this is shortest. Mistel is shortest. Then you can write it mean if you have to order the trees from the shortest to the tallest. So first you can write Mistel, that is having a height of 620 centimeter. And then after that the next one is this 850. So it means you can write acacia, which is 850 centimeter. And then after that the next one, if you look at that one, it is jacaranda. So we will write jacaranda. The height of jacaranda is 980 centimeter. After that the next one is, this is having a height of, yes, cashew is having a height of 1130. So cashew is having a height of 1130 centimeter. Then after that the next one is, here we have fig tree. It's going to be fig tree. If we look at the height given here is 1260 centimeter. And after the fig tree we have, the next one is Chilean myrtle. So it's Chilean myrtle is having a height of 1330 centimeter. And then after that the next one is having a height of 1500 centimeter, and that is tamarind with a height of 1500 centimeter. And the next to that is here that we have this one, wax palm, that is wax palm with a height of 1840 centimeter. And then next to that is, if we look at this one, the next one will be, yes, it is here, yes, quebracho with a height of 2270 centimeter. And then after that the next one that we have is with the height of the maximum height of Brazilian walnut, whose height is 3450 centimeter. So that will be Brazilian walnut with a height of 3450 centimeter. So we arrange them in the order, but before arranging, keep in mind that all the units should be same. Then you can easily arrange them from the shortest to the tallest, or from the tallest to the shortest. Now next is change the measurements from centimeters to meter. The second part is saying each measurement for them you have to change from centimeter to a meter. So previously, if you remember, we have studied the rule that when we need to change from centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. So if I have to change these heights from centimeter to meter, so what I need to do is I will just divide them by 100. So if I will divide 850 by 100, so after dividing that one, 850 divided with 100, it is going to be 8.5 meter. So I will say it is 8.5 meter. This is going to be, if I will divide 3450 with 100, so it is going to be 34.5 meter, and that is going to be 11.3 meter. If you will divide this one, it is going to be 13.1 meter. For the fig tree, it is going to be 12.6 meter. For the jacaranda, it is going to be 9.8 meter. For mistral, it is going to be 6.2 meter, because we are dividing each number with 100. And quebracho is going to be 22.7 meter. For tamarind is going to be 15 meter, because if you divide 1500 with 100, you will get 15. And then the wax palm is going to be 18.4 meter. Next is use the orders to check that you have converted from centimeter to meter correctly. To help you, you could copy this table and complete it. You can, from the shortest to tallest, you can make the table in this form. Like the shortest one that we wrote, it was here mistel. So you can write the name of the mistel here. Sorry, the order is shortest, and then you can write here mistel, the name of the tree, and here you can write its height in meter. So the height in meter, it was 6.2 meters, and so on. You can complete the other table. So this is what we have for today. Inshallah, see you next time with a new topic.